Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python tutorial series. In the previous lesson, we covered the basics of Python, including comments, variables, identifiers, keywords, data types, and operators. If you haven't watched the video yet, I highly recommend watching it first, as it will help you understand today's lesson better. So without wasting any more time, let's go. Okay. In the previous video, we have discussed data types. Okay, like a string, integer, float, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary, and etc. So today we will discuss how to know what is the data type of a value. Okay, so I am creating a new file here, root 10.py. Okay, so let's a equal to 5. So we know it's a integer. Let's check it. You have to write print, then type. This is a keyword to know what is the type of the value 5. Okay, type A. You can write 5 also. So we have assigned to a variable A. So I am writing A. Okay, let's run this program. See, class int means class int means it is a integer data type. Okay, also class is also a keyword and int is also a keyword, and b equal to 24.098. So it's a decimal number. It's gonna be float data type. So print type b. Okay, I'm running this. So class float. See the last one. Then c equal, and taking some string value within the quotes. Okay, writing hello print type c. Okay, I am running this. Str means string. Okay, t true print type is gonna be boolean full t. Okay, then a list e equal to list started from square bracket. List is always on within the square bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add a string value also. Okay, print type what e. Okay, see list f equal to, here when I start a parenthesis, it's gonna be a tuple value. Okay, print 1, sorry, 5 f c tuple here, tuple g, a set when I start from curly bracket, it's gonna be set. We'll discuss dictionary later because it's a very complicated, a little bit complicated. So print type G. It's gonna be a set. C, last one. Okay. Now we'll study what is typecasting. Typecasting is the process of converting a variable or value from one data type to another, like integer to float, float to integer, float to string, string to integer. So I will give some of examples. Let's create another file. You must remember to write the extension code. Okay. Let's take a equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then what's the type? Its type is integer. Integer. See, its type is integer. Now we'll convert it into a float value. How to convert it? B equal to float bracket. We'll write the variable name. Then print B print type B. And commenting it for better understanding. See, when we run it, we'll see 123.0. Here is the decimal symbol. So, I have said that float is a decimal number. So it converted 123 into 123.0, and when we print the type of the 123.0, it's absolutely float value. Okay. Now, if we convert it into a string value, let's see what happens. C equal to strb print C print type of C. Okay. See, 123.0, it's exactly the same. But the type is converted str. It's exactly same in our into our eyes, not in the storage. It a string value only. It cannot be added into a number, a float value. It cannot be added. It's a, if we see this 123.0 in string is equal to 123.0. See, this is what I am saying. Okay, I am commenting this now. We'll see now how to create a list. I have said that list is your data type. We'll know how to create that through 12.py. Okay, let's take a value 1 equal to ask the user what's gonna be the value. Enter the first value 2 equal to input. Enter the Second value the input, enter the third value. Okay, now list one. Let's name it list one and write the value one, value two, value three. Okay, print value one. When we run it, it it's going to be asked three values. Enter the first value. When we give the first value, it will come to the next line. Then second value, then enter the next line. Third value, then enter the next line. Then it will add all the values in the list one, then print it. See, enter the first value. I am. It's in input means it's only input means a string value must be there. So hello. Second value is good morning. What's up? See, I have written value one. That's why it printed hello. If I have written here least one, that it's gonna be print something else. It's gonna be in the least hello, then good morning, then comma, what's up? See, hello, morning, what's up? Okay, in a list means starting from square bracket. Hello, good morning, what's up? Okay, now value 4 and so input, enter the fourth value, value 5, enter the fifth value, value 6, input, enter the sixth value. Okay, now a second list, value 2, value 4, value 5, value 6. Now print list 2. Okay, then it is exactly the same. No need to show it again. It's exactly the same. Only the variable names are different. So now I want to show you how list and another list, two lists are concatenating each other. Like they are adding each other. See, let's create another list, list 3, then list 1, plus operator, like arithmetic addition operator. List 1 plus list 2, then print list 3. So we are going to write something else like list after concatenation, comma. Okay, yes, then the type also, type of list 3. So it's gonna be for ask us how, what is the value of 1, what is the value of 2, value of 3, then it print the list 1, then it will ask what is the value of value 4, value 5, value 6, then it will print list 2, then it will add list 1 and list 2 and store it list 3, then print list after concatenation, then list 3, then it will print the type of list 3. The type of list 3 is list. Okay, I am running this program. So, hello, good morning. What's up? See, hello, good morning, what's up? Then it asks the and fourth value. What will be the fourth value? So, how are you? Then it will print list 2. How, comma, are, comma, you, respectively. See, and list after concatenation, it will add list 1 and list 2. And hello, good morning, what's up, comma, how are you? And the type of list 3 is list. Okay, now we'll understand in 213 py each. What is the location? Is the index number of a specific value in a list. So list, let's consider a list A equal to mango, watermelon, lychee, orange. So we have four values in A. So the positions of the values are, it started always, is always started from 0. So mango's position is 0. Then it comes to watermelon, it is 1. Then it comes to lychee, it is 2. Then it comes to orange, it is 3. If we go from backward, so it is orange is in the position of -1. Orange is -1, lychee is -2, watermelon is -3, and mango is -4. Okay, now let's calculate the length. P equal to length, length, like what are, how many values are in the list. If print B, okay, four values: mango 1, watermelon 2, lychee 3, and orange 4. For the positions of mango is 0, watermelon 1, lychee 3, sorry, lychee 2, orange 3. And when it comes backwards, it will start from -1, then 2, -2, then -3, and -4. Yes. how to print the exact index number of the, okay. So print, you want to print the two index. So a, then square bracket, then 2. Okay, you will print what? Lychee. See, lychee. Then if we'll print a1, including lychee, watermelon. If we print a -1, then it will print what? Orange. See. Okay. Now let's discuss how a extra value can be added in a arranged a previous list. Okay. Create a new file, root 14.py a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. We want to add a extra value which is 5. Okay. So you have to write a dot. A means the variable, the identifier of the list. A dot append, then which value we want add. So 5. Then print a, delete and run. So the new list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now discuss how to create a tuple. So to 15.py. So the name of the tuple I am giving is my top folder starting from parenthesis 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, and we can add a string value. So hello, I am giving. Then print my top, then print the type of the tuple my top. Okay, let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Exactly what is I say last one. Okay. Now we'll create a set. We'll understand how to create a set to 16.py. Okay. So my set equal to, it is going to start from curly bracket 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Okay. Print my set. A single mistake can be a burden for you. So don't try to create. Be careful when you are writing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and class is set. Let's discuss what is set. So set doesn't allow duplicate values. Set automatically remove duplicate values when we are going to print. So if I write comma 2, comma 4, comma 7, comma 5, it's going to uh, remove all duplicate values in my set, and the rest set are the values of set are going to print it. Okay, I'm running it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and it's a benefit. One of the benefits is it also arranges in order. See, I have written here 7, then 5. It arranged 5 first, then written right 7 after that. So it has its benefit. Okay, now I'll make you understand how to add something, add a value, new value in a set. Okay, in list we use append, but in set we are going to use add only. So my set the variable name or the identifier name, then R, and we can give anything 5. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the main part is dictionary creation. Put 17 dot py. Okay. It's going to a bit complicated. So let's start it. How to create it. We are going to give our value. So variable name like temperature equal to it will also starting from curly braces. But here is the difference. Don't compare with it the set. The difference is here two pairs of value, key and value, like key then value, comma, key and value, comma, key and value, so on. So key is gonna be Hyderabad. Then all the string characters like letters, symbols are going to you quoted in double quotes, but the integer and float value without integer. Okay, and colon, then 27, comma, Chennai, colon, 32, comma, Mumbai, colon, 40. Okay, it is a dictionary now. Let's print it. Print temperature. Okay, print type temperature. Let's print it. See, it will print exactly like this. Hyderabad 27, comma Chennai 32, and Mumbai 40. It's like Hyderabad's value is 27, Chennai's value is 32, Mumbai's value is 40. In the Hyderabad, Chennai, and Mumbai are the keys which is written first, then the value. Key and value. And the class is, I have said, the class of the dictionary is dict. Dict means dictionary. Class means data type. Okay. We can create a dictionary in a different way also. See, a type of tuple. Okay. Let's do in this only. And let's comment it. Delete. Okay. Let's see. I'm naming it my dict equal to dict, the data type. Okay. It's going to convert it when we write something in tuple. Okay. Delhi equal to D, comma, Hyderabad equal to 20. print my dict. It is a tuple like parenthesis in Delhi equal to 30, comma Hyderabad equal to 20. It is going to convert into dict like data typecasting. Okay, it will convert into a dictionary, then print it. So in curly brackets, Delhi colon 30, Hyderabad colon, comma Hyderabad colon 20. See, okay, let's comment it out again. Okay. Now, and with the list of tuples also, we can create the dictionary. List of tuples means this is there is a list of tuples. Like in a list, there is going to be a number of tuples. Let's see in the dictionary. My dict equal to dict. It's going to convert it. Okay, dict then list of tuples. So list then list in under list is going to be a tuple. So parenthesis then and write jelly. Okay, then ma 30 then comma Hyderabad comma 20. Okay, let's print made it. Okay, exactly same. See the last line exactly same. Okay, I think you may have a question, so I am commenting it out. And because here we don't see a quotation because Delhi must be in quotation because it's a string value, but here we did not use string value. Let's see what happens when we give a string value to it. See, okay, it's under red. See, it cannot be because we have used equal to here. That's why it's equal to means is a variable, so it cannot be used. Let's see what happens when we do this. See, it's going to error dict expected at most one argument got four. So here is what happened. What happened. It has four values, four keys, but no values. Okay, it expected at least one, but did not get any. So it is not correct actually. Okay. Delhi is not written in quotation or Hyderabad is not written in quotation because of this only. Because there is Delhi and Hyderabad are variable, and when in they convert into dict like dictionary, they became a dictionary. That's why. Yeah, I am deleting this. Let's see more dictionary confusions. See the next 218 dot py mark it equal to lesson. I am bored with my dict, so I'm naming this only dict name joy number colon 5 from 4 comma h colon 12. When we print it, it is going to be print exactly like this. Sorry. See? Okay. Let's retrieve the values using the key as index. Okay. Retrieve. So print. Let's comment it off first. Can see what happens here. So no need to write again. Dict. Let's come retrieve only age. Okay. See. That's 12. And we retrieve only number is going to print 514. See, 514. Okay. We can change or update the values in our dictionary. Let's say first comment it out, then see what happens here. Each we want to change the name as Kritika. Here we have the name Joy, but I want to change into or replace in Kritika. So we write it name equal to Kritika. Okay, print dict. Let's delete this first, then print it. Let's see. Name Kritika. It was Joy before. We can see when we changed it, it became Kritika, and the rest are same. Okay, now we can see we have used many these. So now we can ask user for the values of key and value. Okay, so we're creating a new file here to 19.py. Okay, so key one equal to input key one. Okay, key value one equal to input value two. Okay, let's copy and paste it. We can, but I have a suggestion to write it. Will you will have the practice of writing code. Okay, to this one key three value three value three. Okay, now we will arrange it into a dictionary named my dic. Get back to my key one column value one comma key two column value two comma key three column value three. Okay, if we write something else, it is going to be error. See, anything you write, it's going to be error. Because value cannot be here also. Value 3 means value 3. We can write value 1 also. So let's get with get. started with value. Okay, then print it. Print my tick. Okay, just going to ask us when we run it key ones. Let's Delhi one, Kolkata two, Mumbai three. See, Delhi one, Kolkata two by three. Okay. Now let's do one practice program. I have studied using so arithmetic operations 220 taught you arithmetic operations, but one was not there. That is double asterisk, which is a power like 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 6 sorry, 64. Like this, a equal to 3. So print only 3 to the power means asterisk 2. It's gonna be 9 C 9. So I have a question. Let's calculate surface area of a cube. How to calculate it? First, we will have to ask the user what is the value of edge in float. So edge we ask in input because we needed an integer value. Now we need a float value. So we'll write float input. Okay, float input. Enter the value of edge. Okay, then area, surface area. So we can write S area. Okay, S area. The formula is 6 multiplied into edge to the power of 2. Okay, then print S area. Okay, press on it. S is going to be 4. So 6 into 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 6 is 96.0 because it was a floor value. Okay, let's do some quiz books questions. See, what is the output of the following code? A equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print A2. So it is 30. What will be the output? A equal to 1, 2, 3. A dot append 4. Print A. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in a list. Okay. What is the output? T equal to 5, 10, 15. Print T1. So it is 10. Which of the following is true about a tuple? It uses parentheses. What will be the output? S equal to 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 3. It is B option 1, 2, 3 because it removes the duplicate values. So 1, 2, 3. S, what will be the output? S equal to 1, 2, 3. S dot add 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Print S 1, 2, 3, 4. Option C. Okay. What is the output? D equal to name Alice S20. Print D name. So it's going to be Alice. Okay. Which method is used to get all keys from a dictionary? Keys. What will be the output? A equal to 1, 2, 3. Int A. So int A means 1, 2, 3 in the course was string. It converted into integer. So now B equal to 1, 2, 3 in integer. Print B plus 7. So 1, 2, 3 plus 7 is 130. B option. What will be the output? X is equal to 40.8. Y equal to int X. When we convert a float value into int, it converts the float value into floor, removing the decimal. It is 45 now. The 45.8 removes the decimal, so it is 45 now. Print y. When we print y, then it is going to be print 45 in integer, not in quotes. So option C. Okay. Thank you.